Ang sarap. I want more. Hop! Time check. Merienda time. So, eto nga. Grabe. Kikita nyo yan? Wow. Tsura pa lang. Talagang mapapatsuwi ka na. You know what? This one is Dubai Pistachio Cookie. Alright, so excited na ako. Grabe. Nakita niyo yun? Diba? Ang sarap. I want more. Ito naman, another flavor. See? Biscoff chocolate. Ayun, no? Wow! Available only at Bro and Bun Cafe. Yummy!